Hello, everybody. Hello. My name is Jemma, if you didn't already know, and if you did know, hi, my name is Jemma, and welcome back. Today I'm doing a sweet Lolita get ready with me video, as you can see. Yes. I'm going to be doing my makeup and show you me picking out my accessories and doing my hair and getting dressed and all of that jazz. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. While I get ready, I like to put my bangs into this foam curler. It makes them really curled and cute, so I'm just putting that on right now. And I'm going to be separating the rest of my hair just so it doesn't get in my face and annoy me with these little clippity clips. I don't know where I got them, but you can find them everywhere. Then I'm going to go in with my milk primer. This one really erases your pores, so I'm just focusing it on the area where my pores are large. And the second primer that I'm using is one that I got in Japan. It's really good for making your face less oily, so I'm just focusing that on my T-zone. And now the third and last primer, I also bought this in Japan. This one has some SPF in it, so I'm just using that all over the rest of my face. Then I'm going in with a CC cream. This is gonna cancel out a lot of the pinky tones that I have in my face, and I'm basically putting that everywhere. Now I'm going in with my favorite concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm putting that under my eyes, my cheeks, my nose, basically everywhere. I kind of use this as my foundation. Now I'm going in with my D-Slick Urban Decay spray. Now I'm going in with a contour stick. This one's amazing. It's by this like indie brand and they have really pale shades, which is awesome. I go ahead and I focus out on my nose and my jawline, and that's basically all I'm contouring today because I want to maintain a youthful appearance. Now I'm going in with my Glossier Cloud Paint, just putting on a layer of red blush. Now I am setting my face with loose powder. I'm focusing this mostly on my eyes and areas that I want to lighten up. Now moving on to brows, I'm just going to quickly brush them out with this spoolie. And I'm going to go in with this really old brow pencil that I've had for a really long time. It's just a really good color match for my hair, so I'm going to be using that. Now I'm using this Glossier, I think Brow Flick they call it. I'm just going to draw on some little brow hairs. And I'm also going in with their boy brow and just kind of gelling it up. Now I'm wiping off that bake and I'm gonna start going into the eyes. I'm gonna be going in with this Too Faced Peanut Butter and Honey palette and using this base shade. I'm just gonna be putting that all over my lids. Now I'm going in with this yellow shade and I'm gonna focus out on the second half of my lids. Usually I'll use other tones just to match my dress, and today I'm gonna be wearing Honey Cake. I think you can see here kind of chilling out in the background, so that's why I am choosing these colors. Now I'm going in with a slightly deeper brownish shade and I'm gonna focus out on like the outer corner of my lids. I'm going to take this glittery gold shade from this other Too Faced palette that I have, and I'm going to put that all over the lids. And now I'm going in with blush. I'm choosing a really red blush to kind of bring out the red details in the dress, and I'm just going ham. Now I'm going to take some highlighter. This is like a nice pale yellow highlighter, really subtle, and just highlight the high points of my face. Now I'm going in with that D-Slick spray again and putting another layer of setting spray. Now I'm gonna go in to eyeliner. This is a brown Dolly Wink eyeliner, and I'm just gonna line my upper lash line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. And now I'm going in with a brown mascara. I decided I wanted some faux freckles today, so I'm going in with a slightly darker foundation and making little dots with a detail brush. And I'm adding some blush on top of that. Today I'm gonna be creating a sort of like gradient red lip. And so right now I'm going in with a red lip liner. And now I'm gonna smudge the edges. Now I'm going in with a red lip tint and just focusing that on the center. Now I'm taking a little bit of lip gloss and just focusing that on the center as well. Now I'm gonna get started on my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my bangs with my straightener like I usually do. And I'm gonna start loosely curling my hair. I just alternate directions, so I'll twist some inwards and I'll twist some outwards till I like how it looks. Now it's time to get changed. Heck yes, it is me, Kawaii Queen. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my head bow and my accessories. I love how you can see my thought process here. I was like, do I want this bow? Does it match? It doesn't match. Here are my pancake earrings, iconic. I know, I got these on Etsy. And the matching Angelic Pretty Honey Cake jewelry, we stan. Now I'm deciding which rings I want to wear and where I want to wear them. That's it. That is this look complete. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, consider subscribing to see more content, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.